Good morning, friends. We are going to look at a sight word today. This is one of the words that you got right before Christmas break, so it's in your last set or your newest set. First thing we need to do is put our name at the top. Alright, up at the top of the page it says bee, bumblebee. Can you learn the word with me? Alright, so we are going to work on this word a lot of different ways. Here is the word, look. This box says read it, so point to your word and read it. Look. Look is a sight word because you cannot go all the way through that word and try to sound it out. I can't say look, k. That doesn't tell me what it is, and I can't do long O's and say look, k. That's not going to tell me what it is. A sight word means you just have to learn it. Look. Look. Those two O's in the middle are going to make the sound. Look. All right, over in the next box. Write it. So use your pencil and write the word look. L is a tall letter and goes straight down. You need two O's. They're short letters. Then you need a K, top to bottom, go the dotted line, slant in, slant out. Look. All right, in the next box, it says clap it. How many syllables? All right, everybody get your hands ready. We've been doing this in reading group. All right, we're going to say the word look and clap it. Ready? Look. How many syllables? 1. Try it again. Ready? Look. 1 syllable. So you can take one crayon and just color in the number 1 box. Look has 1 syllable in it. Alright, your next box says color it. I think I'm going to rainbow color my word. Just by rainbow coloring, I mean I'm going to use different colors. I'm going to make the L orange. I'm going to make the first O green. I think I'll make my next letter O a purple color. And I think I'll make my last one yellow. Make the K yellow. L-O-O-K. Look. Alright, the next box says trace it. Alright, so use your pencil and trace over it. L-O-O-K. That says look. Alright, now it says spell it. They've made some boxes for us, boys and girls. Tall boxes are tall because they're supposed to have tall letters in them. Short boxes would have short letters in them. It just kind of helps you make sure that you are spelling it correctly and getting the right letters in the right box. So L goes in that tall box. O, O, K. Look. Alright, we're at the bottom row. This box says find it. So everywhere you see the word look, I want you to color it. That doesn't say look. Oh, there's look. There's look. Now I'm going to check the bottom row. Oh, there's the word look. Alright, I found it 3 times. Make sure you found it 3 times. Alright, and then it says tell it. Who did you tell? Alright, so boys and girls, you need to tell someone what this word is and then write their name there. So if you tell mom, write the word mom. If you tell your brother or sister, write their name. If you tell grandma, write grandma. Whoever you tell the word to, write their name. What is this word again? Look. Alright, have a great day, boys and girls.